The Taymyr Gulf is a gulf in the Kara Sea that includes the estuary of the Lower Taymyr River. The estuary proper is frozen for about 9 months in a year, and even in summer it is never quite free of ice floes. Fishes like the golets and the muksun are very common in its waters. Geography. The estuary opens roughly northwestwise from the western coast of the Taymyr Peninsula into the eastern expanses of the Kara Sea, widening from about 4 kilometers at the river's mouth to about 20 kilometers. Its length, including the wider gulf, is about 50 kilometers, and its width roughly 40 kilometers. Taymyr Island is located about 60 kilometers westwards from the mouth of the estuary. Beyond Cape Oscar, the headland of the Oscar Peninsula that limits the gulf to the northeast, lies the Tulle Bay. The climate in the desolate area of the Taymyr Gulf is severe, with long and bitter winters and frequent blizzards and gales. Islands. The most important islands in the Taymyr Gulf are the following. Chelyuskin Island is the first island at the mouth of the Gulf. Bear Island is 3.5 kilometers long. It is located in the middle of the mouth of the Gulf, about 13 kilometers from the Kara Sea, 76.217 degrees north, 99.367 degrees east, 76.217, 99.367. This island was named after Baltic German scholar Karl Ernst von Baer. Baer made important contributions to the research of Arctic meteorology between 1830 and 1840. The Nanosnye Islands are 4 small islands, the largest of which is 5 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide. They are located in the mouth of the estuary, right at the opening of the Gulf. Foman Island is 11.5 kilometers long and 3.7 kilometers wide. It is located deep within the estuary, dividing the last stretch of the Taymyr River into 2 branches, 75.867 degrees north, 99.767 degrees east, 75.867, 99.767. This island was named after early Russian Arctic explorer Nikifor Fomin. History. In the 1740s, during the Great Northern Expedition, Nikifor Fomin reached Bear Island and built a hut in order to winter there. The Taymyr Gulf and its islands were explored by Alexander von Middendorf during his expedition to Siberia. Bear Island was the farthest northern point he reached after exploring the Taymyr River from the south towards its estuary in August 1843. Baron Eduard von Tulle, during his last expedition, the Russian Polar Expedition of 1900 to 1903, explored the mouth of the Taymyr Gulf. Tulle found a quartz boulder on Bear Island that had been described by Middendorf. He also found the remains of Nikifor Fomin's hut. Nowadays, the Taymyr Gulf is part of the Great Arctic State Nature Reserve, the largest nature reserve of Russia. Administration. The Taymyr Gulf and all its surrounding area belongs to the Krasnoyarsk Krai administrative division of the Russian Federation.